Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace the battery in your Lincoln MKZ key fob. This simple process will help you restore full functionality to your remote, ensuring reliable operation. You'll find this task straightforward, requiring just a few common household tools and about 5 minutes of your time. Let's get started and get your key fob working like new again. Before we begin, let's gather the necessary items. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver, which is essential for gently prying open the key fob without causing damage. Additionally, make sure you have 2 fresh CR 2025 3-volt coin cell batteries ready. These are widely available and will provide reliable power for your key fob. Having everything prepared makes the process smooth and efficient. Now let's open your key fob. First, locate the small release button or tab, usually found on the side or back of the fob. Press this button and slide out the emergency key, setting it aside in a safe place. Next, use your small flathead screwdriver to carefully pry apart the 2 halves of the key fob casing. Work slowly around the edges to avoid any damage. With the key fob open, carefully remove the old batteries. Notice the small white plastic separator between them. Insert the first new CR 2025 battery with the positive side facing upwards. Then, replace the white separator and insert the second new CR 2025 battery with its positive side facing downwards. Finally, align the 2 halves of the key fob and gently press them together until they snap securely into place. Test your key fob to confirm it's working.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.